Hey guys, today I'm going to cook a bone-in ribeye steak on my little Weber Q gas grill. So let's get queuing. I have a 1.5 pound bone-in ribeye or rib steak here. I took this out of the freezer last night and let it thaw in the fridge so it's ready to go. This was given to me, so I don't know what the cost of it was, but it's grass-fed and organic and all that good stuff, so it was probably fairly pricey. I'm just seasoning it on both sides with some kosher salt, and this is Johnny's seasoned pepper. I use this one a lot. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. I live in Northern California and there's a wildfire burning pretty close by, so this is all ash from that fire that's on the shelves here. So anyway, this grill is real easy to light. You just turn the gas on right here, and it's got an igniter. And it's got stainless steel grates, so I usually let it warm up for about 10 minutes or so, and then we'll get the steak on there. My grill's been preheating for about 10 minutes or so, and it's running 400 degrees Fahrenheit there. So we'll get this on there. I think I may have said stainless steel grates, so they're cast iron grates, and they're coated so they don't rust. Anyway, we'll just get the steak on right there and get the lid on. Spent about 4 minutes on that side, so let's see how we're doing here. Alright, I think I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over here. Alright, looking pretty good. Let it go a few minutes on that side, and then we'll get it off of there. Spent about 4 minutes on that side. The grill's running about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. See how we're doing here. I think that's pretty good. I'm going to just go ahead and get that off of there. Alright, looks pretty good. This has been resting for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to cut it right in half and we'll see what it looks like. Well, that looks pretty good to me. Let's cut off a piece and try it out. I'll just take this end piece right here. Here we are. That's really good. One of the better things I've cooked in a while. That's a good steak. I'm not going to give Annie too much of that, but you can have a piece of fat. Here's another piece, Annie. There you go. Well, that turned out really, really good. That steak had a really nice, clean flavor. I really like that little gas grill. I've had it for about, I guess about 2.5 years now. Great little grill, small, it's easy to clean, cooks everything real nice. So I did about 4 minutes on each side for that steak, and it was about the way I like it. So anyway, I hear they're evacuating the town next to me because of that fire, so I better go see what's going on. Thanks for watching. See you guys.